When removing the brace, undo each strap and ensure you attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier when fitting the brace next time and will prolong the life of the straps. Slightly lift up the leg. Place the brace under the leg. Ensure the hinge center is located at the middle of the kneecap. Starting below the knee, close the foam pads around the knee and pull the straps through the D-rings, and secure with the hook tabs provided. Fasten in an alternating below and above fashion until all of the straps are secure. Readjust all straps for a snug fit if needed. Do not over-tighten. Use the blue drop lock to unlock or lock the hinge to the desired angle if recommended by your medical professional.